I'm a beginner and I want to speak English language fluently, but I don't know how. What to do? From where should I start? And I was thinking that I will start my journey in 2026 January month, but I have tried many things, but nothing is working for me. How can I start learning this language and how can I continue? Because one day I listen and then when I don't understand, then I think that I will quit my journey. Many things are happening with me. Then how can I become a fluent English speaker? It's a big problem for me. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning English language great way. So the today's video is for beginner only, and I'm going to share a lot of things. It is not going to be only for the beginner. If you are a language learner, you may get also something from this video. Okay, so let's start. The thing is that when we try to learn English language, we just get desire that okay, I want to learn English language, but we don't know how to learn. We don't know complete roadmap. So for time being it's okay, but we really need roadmap. So my friend, what I was doing, I'm going to share with you people so that it can help you. The thing is that I'm not teaching on the board. Otherwise, I would definitely share with you people complete roadmap. So whatever I share, in voice, and that's why somewhere or the other I'm unable to share with you people clear way. Otherwise I would definitely write somewhere and tell you do this thing, and it may work for you also. So whatever I am able to do, I am trying from my side. The thing is that first thing what I used to do, listening. That's clear, right? When we want to learn any language, then we need to start listening. So I hope you must have started listening, right? So if you have already started listening this language, the next thing you should do, start learning vocabulary. And you don't have to do many days, just do it for 1 week. If you don't know how to speak even a single sentence proper way, so I would recommend you to learn vocabulary. And after learning vocabulary, maybe maybe 100, less than that one also, start making sentences, small sentences. And I'm going to give you example that what I used to do. See, I didn't know a lot of words, so what I started doing, I started learning words, whatever I used to see. When I was not able to know the meaning, then I used to Google the words. Just like behind me, what you can see, it's a wheat crop. Okay, so many beginner, they might not be able to say this thing. It's okay, so you can Google, this is wheat crop. Another, you might be able to see yellow flowers. Those flowers are mustard flowers. So if you don't know the meaning of mustard, you can go and search. Other, you can see the dam. Behind me one dam is there and one tree is there, right, on the dam. And other, you can see sky. It's not so clear, right, because my camera is not good. I mean, my mobile camera is not good, that is why it's not so clear. So even you can say that sky is blue. See, whatever is around you, start describing in your words. And if you don't know the word meaning, Google is there, you can search, because it was happening with me also. Let me share with you one interesting story. As a beginner, what I used to do, I thought that if I learn one vocabulary, that's enough. So I learned one word, that was drive. मुझे लगता था ड्राइव मीन्स चलाना और सब कुछ चलाना, ठीक है, जैसे पेन को चलाना हो गया, कार को चलाना हो गया, बाइक को चलाना, सबके लिए मैं ड्राइविंग यूज करती थी और ड्राइव यूज करती थी. तो एक बार मैं लिख रही थी, तो मुझे लगा कि ये परफेक्ट सेंटेंस होगा. मैंने कहा कि मैं पेन चला रही हूँ, एंड देन आई यूज्ड आई एम ड्राइविंग पेन. ओके, सो माई इंग्लिश वॉज नॉट गुड. and I didn't know many words. No one was there to teach me, and I didn't know many things. So when I remember nowadays, I laugh a lot, and I think about my English. I didn't know, many things I didn't know. So it's one story about me that I used to think if I learn one word and I can use it for everything. But no, I was wrong, because in language, what happened, different word has the different meaning. So we have to learn many words, not only few words. And we don't have to stop ourselves from learning. We should keep learning, but initially you don't have to burden yourself. Just learn daily uses words. Whatever is around you, start describing. If you do kitchen related work, describe all the things. Whatever utensils you use, describe them by their name, or if you are cooking food, describe that one. If you are working somewhere, describe that one. If you are studying, describe everything. In this way, you can start your journey. My friend, I told you that how worst my English was. Initially, I wasn't able to speak this language, and many people, they don't believe. If they don't believe, what I can do? I don't have anything to do, because now I have already given a lot of time for this language, and that's why I speak little good, not very good. I have to work a lot on this language. But many people, they don't believe that my English may have been that much broken. It was very, very broken. I have started learning from the zero. So maybe your situation would be similar to my situation. No problem. See, now I'm speaking this language, and one day I believe you would be also speaking this language fluently. How? If you start from today onwards. Don't wait for the perfect day. I always say this thing. Many people, they wait for the perfect day. And if you need guidance, a lot of teachers are available on YouTube, on Facebook, on social media. Just click and watch their video, you will get idea. Nowadays, it's possible. Every single day, things are evolving. That's why it's becoming easy to learn things. But yeah, we have to keep distraction one side, because when things are evolving, so a lot of distractions are also coming on our way, right? So we have to take care of that thing, then we can learn things fast way. So this is the thing, my friend. If you are a beginner, then learn this thing. Start describing things in your broken English, and don't care about judgment. Let the people judge you, because when they judge you, you may get motivated. You may think, okay, one day I will show them that what I can do. I can learn English language. If you are villager, you might be thinking a lot the way I used to think. But now I take this language as a language only. But as a beginner, I used to think it's a big thing to learn English language. It's a big thing to speak English language. But now I don't think. I think it's a language. And whatever I can do with this language, or if I can get my work done by speaking English language, that's enough. If I can understand the world, or whatever people they are speaking in English language, that's enough for me. And if I can read English book, that's enough for me. So this is the thing. And today you people are watching from many states, or from maybe many countries my videos. So how it is possible that you people are able to understand my language, or whatever idea I'm sharing with you? Because of I am speaking English language, right? I'm not saying this language is only great. Every language, they have their own value, right? So it's important to learn English, because many people, they are speaking this language. So if we want to understand them, if we want to make friends, if we want to get job, I'm not saying that you can get job only if you know English language. Nothing is like that. And let me tell you one thing. Many people, they comment on my channel. They say in this way that English is not everything. When I say that English is everything, English is not everything. It's a language. Just learn it. And if it's possible, then use it in your life. That's enough. You don't have to be rude. You don't have to show to the people that you are very great because you can speak English language. Nothing is like that. It's a kind of skill also, right? Because it is helping nowadays to earn more money, to communicate with people. So many things are happening. So just use this language as a language. Don't make it ingredient of your ego. That okay, I am learning this language and I'm going to become egoistic because I can speak English language. If you can speak English language, the chances are you can connect with many people. They will understand you. Okay? So this is the thing I wanted to share with you. Learn this language as a language and enjoy your journey. Yeah, today you are unable to speak, but I believe one day you will be able to speak this language fluently and effortlessly if you don't break your consistency, if you show up for this language no matter what is going on in your life. If we face challenges in our life, what we think? Okay, it's the matter of today only? No problem, I will not learn. What will happen? Nothing. My friend, remember one thing, you are breaking consistency. Consistency is key to learn this language and to learn any skill. Okay? I hope my video is little bit helpful for you people. If it is, then please like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.